Hello and welcome to English Testing Hub. Vocabulary quiz. You are going to answer 20 questions. You have 10 seconds for each question. Are you ready? Let's begin. I have to be myself. He is working now. You'd better take a taxi, otherwise you'll arrive. Hi, John, nice to meet you. She is a great friend. There is a rock band playing tomorrow. They should practice more if they want to pass the test. That is the bank. She had practiced before the test. If it rains tomorrow, we won't play football. She has arrived home early. Tom watches TV at night on Sundays. That is the house where she lives. Start the game without me, I will be late. Can you help me in my homework? I cook terribly. He is driving too fast. Due to the bad weather, the plane is delayed. I think you are a hero. I had never been so scared. Share your score in the comments section. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe because more useful content is on the way. See you in the next videos.